Hello everyone. Let's cooking with me. Today I would like to eat curry and my favorite vegetable is winter melon which I have no idea is it called winter melon in English or squash. Anyway, this is the first ingredient. Red chili paste, coconut milk. Then take the pot on the stove, waiting. Doesn't need to turn on the heat yet. And then open a can of coconut milk. Then pour coconut milk in the pot. After that, add water in the can and add in the pot. Then opened a chili paste can, the red chili paste. You can use any brand, any type. If you don't want red, you can use green curry as well. But today I would like to eat red curry. In fact, I had other brand too. I would like to try this one because I haven't tried yet. And the amount of the paste up to you how spicy you would like to eat. And prepare squash. This one called winter melon, as I mentioned earlier. I just look. I have no idea what it's called in English. Or you can use any squash you like. I used to use squash once, and after that I just use this kind of melon because my favorite. Normally I make soup using this melon and cut it in big size like this, big piece, but today I slice it smaller, and I didn't take the seed out because at first, very first time, I take the seed out and the skin, I don't know that it's called skin or not, left very thin, that different from the melon this kind in Thailand, because the seed we take away and still have the meat, the skin, not the meat, the skin left very thick. Then from that time I never take the seed away again. I just cook the whole thing and it tastes good. And also I remember that I saw the pack at farmer market, the soup pack, they contain this kind of melon with seed. Okay, now rinse the meat. You can use chicken thigh, chicken drum, chicken wings, or even chicken breast and slice it, or other meat like beef, pork, anything. And vegetable you can use, not vegetable, sorry, vegetarian if you don't eat meat. You can use tofu as well, or even if you want to add some kind of beans, it's also work too. Okay, slice it the chicken to make easier cooking and easier when eating to small portion. But I like big, like you see here, not really small. And the drum, I didn't cut the drum, I didn't slide it. I mean, as you see here, I just cut a little on the meat, and then add the meat into boiling liquid coconut milk and chili paste. I forgot the word. And I pouring the juicy from grilled chicken I cooked other day because that juicy dropping from the chicken contains seasoning, and leave it until boil as first time, and then add squash, melon, or vegetable you like. We also can use the what is called the eggplants. Okay, and then taste it and season as you want to. I season just you see sugar and sauce, the seasoning sauce, whatever soy sauce you like, fish sauce, and let it cook. Oh, don't forget to add squash too. Okay, and cover cook until boiling again. Check when chicken cook well. Ready to eat. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy watching, and if you would like to try, go ahead. Bye.